This is regarding ticket 58996. I'm in the hosting service demo system and I created this report in Report Builder called Rendering Clinician Report. You'll notice I use the appointments data source. I came in and I grouped the report initially by billing ID. So this is grouped by billing ID here where it says group header. Okay, you'll notice I removed the group header name because I don't want to see the billing ID here, and I just put what I want to see from the claim here, and I'll get to this in a second. Okay, first step, billing, group by the billing ID. Next step, add in all the details from this appointment data source. So the appointment date, patient name, payer name, the clinician, and supervisor. Okay, next we're going to switch up here. So in this drop down, we're going to go over to billing encounters, or sorry, this next one down right under billing encounters, VT rep claim and payment info. Okay, so in here, what we've done is we've taken this information in the patient, from this area, we took the patient name, claim date, billing clinician information, the number of appointments within this group, and then we have our payment average, and then this is the payment total for reference. So the average is going to show us the amount of payments across the number of appointments in the grouping. Okay, so we grouped it by billing ID. So one claim with multiple appointments that go into it, those appointments are all going to show under the same billing ID for that one claim. In other words, a bundle claim. Okay, so next I'm going to go down and we added a filter here. We added a couple. So we want to only see appointments that have been billed. So we don't want to see all appointments for everything that haven't been billed. So we put in here is billed equal to 1, which in computer language means yes. Okay, next we did from the billing rep claim and payment info, we did the payment or adjustment filter is equal to payment. So we'll save and close here. And then we also added a parameter for the appointment date is between. I'm not going to show you that. Okay, we'll go ahead and preview this report. Okay, and I'll just run this back a year just so we have good data. Okay, so in here what we have is here's a claim. This is the billing ID. You can kind of see what we have here. Okay, so this is one billing ID for this claim. This is the claim date. The billing clinician is Mark. We see that there are 2 appointments included. The payment average right here is $100 per each of these appointments, and the total right here is the 200. Okay, and as you go down, you can kind of see the same information. So let me know how close this is to what the client is looking for. There's obviously some formatting and cleanup that can be done, but let me know how close we are to the needs.